Okay. Hello, dear enemy. Such an ugly afternoon. Greetings from the alternate universe. Okay, let's come back. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So we are continuing with our Chinese mythology story. It becomes a little bit. I am in the middle of something. It's kind of losing the direction and the motivation. So in a few chapters before, I have talked about it. So today I am thinking, now let me take it as a job, as a project. Let me finish it. 16 stories. I have finished 8. Let me keep on, finish it. And usually we get assigned homework, we get assigned job by our boss, by our teacher. And this time we get assigned by our true boss, that is our will. I live for my free time, and I want to do it in my free time, and I want to make the best of my free time, right? Okay, so this story is Hou Yi Hou Yi shoots the sun. And in many mythologies, in Greek mythology, in Sumerian mythology, in Egyptian mythology, there is always this ultimate respect, ultimate worship for the sun, the Helio, the Apollo, the Ra, the Sumerian, I forgot the name. Anyway, it was the highest and most respected, right? So, so this one is a Chinese mythological story about the sun. 后羿射日. I will start with the Chinese version. 所以后羿射日是中国最著名的神话英雄故事之一，象征着人类对抗自然灾害的英勇精神。故事是怎么还开始的呢？一开始天上有10个太阳，传说在尧舜时代，天帝叫帝俊，他有10个儿子，10只金色的乌鸦，就是金太阳，是太阳鸟，金乌，金色的鸟，金色的乌鸦，太阳鸟。他们这10个儿子，每天轮着上班。今天星期一你上班，他不是星期一、星期二、星期三、星期四、星期五、星期六、星期天，他是星期一、星期二、星期三、星期四、星期五、星期六、星期七、星期八、星期九、星期10这样上班。星期一老大上班，星期二老二上班，星期三老三上班，就这么轮着来。所以每天一个人上班，其他人歇着玩儿啊，去在家刷手机，在家打游戏什么之类的，就是睡觉、吃饭，做麻辣烫，平常的没事就这样。然后他每天一个人上班，天气挺好，有阴有晴，有热有暖。突然有一天，这哥10个一下子来情绪了，行了，不打游戏机了，不刷手机了，不吃麻辣烫了，不睡觉了，咱们一块儿出去玩吧。哥几个想出去一块儿玩，那很正常啊，对不对？有朋友，那是不是很高兴的事？他们就一起出来玩。你想想，10个大太阳，一个太阳都热得我头皮冒汗，是不是？10个太阳，大地就被给烤焦了，庄稼也干了，也枯了，老百姓就活不下去了。这个时候呢，神射手出来了，天帝派来一个神射手， 神射手是什么呢？就是射的特别特别准。他名字叫后羿，让后羿来帮助老百姓。然后后羿就来了，拿着一个弓，后面搁着一个屁兜，兜里头放着10个箭，带着天地赐予的红色神弓和白色神箭，登上了昆仑山顶。他没去泰山，他没去五台山，他没去峨眉山，他没去长白山，他去的昆仑山。在昆仑山顶上，照着那个太阳，噗，下了一个，噗，下来2个，噗，下来3个，噗，下来4个，噗，下来5个，噗，下来6个，噗，下来7个，噗，下来8个，噗，下来9个。到下来9个，最后10只金色的乌龟，金色的乌鸦，10只金乌都掉地下了。这个时候，他想拿出他最后一支箭往天上射，忽然他脑袋一转，这个时候太阳就跟他跪下来，手下留情，手下留情，就我一个了，别把我再杀死了，再杀死我了，天就黑了，就再也没有太阳了。后羿当时一想，哎，这也是，你说就10个太多，0个又太少，留一个吧。后羿没射，留下最后一个。这个时候，这个一年四季，白天黑夜，春满花开，秋收结果，就这些4季的规律又都好了，因为只有一个太阳。这个就是后羿射日的故事，就是把天上那些天火，把天上这些多余的东西都给射下来。Okay, now I will tell it in English. 后羿射日 is a very famous Chinese hero story. Hou Yi is the hero's name. His name is Hou Yi, and some people say his name is Yi, but we will just. And another thing I want to mention about it. Sometimes you hear people say "yi," but it just makes me feel very, very not grounded. Chinese name usually 2 words or 3 words, right? It's only one sound. Zhang, but what Zhang, right? You feel the sound is not enclosed. So 海音 the sound enclosed. Yanghaiying, the sound you feel, you have up down, 起伏. You have the pace, the tempo in the word. So Chinese name usually at least 2 words. If only 1 word, it just make me very feel as if I am halfway doing something, saying something, and finish in the half. It's kind of a cliffhanger in it. Yeah. I think about the story. Maybe another time I will talk about that story. Cliffhanger. So Hou Yi, why did he want to shoot 10 suns? So it is legend had it that in Yao Shun, Yao Di 时代, in the very, 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 very old time, there were 10, the heavenly God had 10 sons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sons. And these 10 sons are golden phoenix-like bird, golden bird. And these 10 birds are the sons. And these 10 birds, every day there is one of these 10 birds taking care of the responsibility, going across the heaven and going back home, a little bit like a Helio with his chariot, here and there. A little bit like Apollo goes to and then go back home. So every day, one son, one brother goes on duty, and the rest of the 9 brothers can swipe telephone, can play game, can sleep, can eat, can post a selfie, and become influencer, whatever. They have their job. And every day, one in charge. And one day, the 10 brothers thought, we have never been played together. How about it's always, at most, we have 9 together because we are taking rest. But we have never been together, all of 10 of us together. So let's have a fun time together. So the 10 sons, the 10 S-O-N, 10 boys. So the 10 boys, the 10 birds, 10 golden birds decide to go to heaven together. What do you get? Even in one sun, we get burned, right? The temperature is 100-degree American number. And 10 suns, it's global warming ahead of time, ahead of imagination, more than imagination, right? It's a global burning. So the land is burned, the trees are burned, the river are dried up, become a sauna, hot steam, and people are dying. And the heavenly God saw it. That is not right. We should take some control and take care of these 10 sons. So the heavenly God assigned one shooter, licensed shooter, and better than 008, yes, and better than 009, and even better than 006. It's just very cool. Pew, dun, 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 dun. You go. Give him a box. Inside there is 10 golden arrows and a very big bow, beautiful bow. You go, kill the sun. And the shooter, his name is Hou Yi. He said, "You bet, I'm doing that." So he went there. He went on top of Mount Kunlun, a mountain in the northwest of China, I think, northwest, Xibei. I forgot exactly where it is. But anyway, he went on top of a very tall mountain and uses his arrow and bow. Pew! 1 down. Pew! 2 down. Pew! 3. Pew! 4. Pew! 5. Pew! 6. Pew! 7. Pew! 8. Pew! 9. 9 suns down. Only one sun left. He was about to take some rest, and the sun kneeled down to him. "Leave me alone. There is only one sun left. I am the only one. You killed all my brothers. You have to leave me." And he thought, yeah, it's kind of right, right? If I get everything out, all the suns out, it will be only dark. It will be too cold. So he left one sun. So now we have one sun, S-U-N. Now we have spring, autumn, day, night, 4 seasons, harvest, life become good. That's the story of Hou Yi shooting the suns. Thank you very, very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Guru, guru. Bye. Yeah, bye, 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 bye.